issued a snow squall warning for northern Carroll County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Harford County in northern Maryland, northwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, until 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:03 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Taneytown to near Jarrettsville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: whiteout conditions. Near zero visibility in snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes Interstate 83 from the Pennsylvania state line south to Maryland Highway 137/Mount Carmel Road. Locations impacted include Westminster, Bellaire North, Fallston, Taneytown, Hampstead, Manchester, Jarrettsville, Pilesville, Freeland, Cardiff, Norrisville, Bentley Springs, Forest Hill, Street, Moncton, Whiteford, Lineborough, Scarborough, Cromwell and Parton. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Serious injuries and deaths may result from people exiting their vehicles during a snow squall. Drivers may not be able to see or to stop. If stopped on the roadway or involved in an accident, quickly exit your vehicle. Move as far away from the roadway as possible only when it is safe to do so. Do not stand along or near the roadway, since approaching vehicles may be unable to maintain control.